Cooking breakfast. Eggs and hams. Look, that's my eggs. Oh, this is how I cook my eggs now. I used to cook my eggs with all the ingredients that I love, but this time I'm not allowed to eat tomato, onions, and green onions. So I just have an eggs with ham and some cheese. Deep down cheese. Yeah, my spinach herb wrap. It'll be my breakfast. Yeah, spinach herb. Love it. That is my breakfast now. So got lots of protein. Ham and cheese, and wrap, and eggs. My breakfast. Let's say breakfast, guys. Black coffee with honey and a wrap and half the banana. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.